Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope that you're all doing really well. Today I have another unboxing video for you, and today I am going to be taking a look at what's in the August box from Look Fantastic. As you might remember, last month I unboxed the July subscription box from Look Fantastic. Now I'm going to be unboxing the August edition, but this month's video is going to be a little bit different to last month's because I am not just unboxing one box, I am unboxing two boxes. Now the reason for this is because Look Fantastic subscription box is a bit different in that there are two variations of the box. So the way it works is that you could end up with either of the two different variants. So there's variant 1 and variant 2, and they have slightly different products in each of them. They have sent me both of the boxes to review this month so that I can show you what you could get in either of these boxes. So the way it will work is that if you do choose to subscribe to this box, you could either end up with variant 1 or variant 2, which are the two boxes that I am showing you today. Also, if you are new to this channel, then hello, welcome to you all. My name is Emily and I make videos like this one, but I also make videos on a variety of topics to do with lifestyle, style, disability awareness and disability positivity. So I like to mix it up. So if you are new to the channel and you like what you see and you would like to support me, then you can do so by simply clicking the subscribe button and also by clicking that notification bell down below to make sure that you receive updates when I post new videos. The Look Fantastic beauty box is always worth a value of at least £50 and it will always contain at least 6 products in there. If you would like to receive 10% off your box, you can use the code EmilyDBB at checkout to get 10% off your first box when subscribing for either 6 or 12 months. So you can also get a little extra saving if you are interested as well. First of all, going to start off by unboxing variant 1, which has a total value of £59.48. Now the theme of this month's box is radiance. So it's all to do with creating a radiant look to the skin and the body. So very much in that kind of summer spirit. And you open it up and it says do more of what makes your soul radiate. And then we have a little beauty edit which has some information on things like summer skincare and summer foundations and makeup, and also what's in the box as well. And there's a little spread on retinol. So if you like reading the little edits that come with these boxes, then they are now available in there, because from what I understand, for a while they weren't doing the hard copies, but now they've gone back to putting actual hard copies of the beauty edits in their box again. So first thing I have in this box is from a brand called Mio, or is it Mio? I'm not sure, but it's spelt M-I-O, and it's their sun drenched body wash, and it's a micellar cleanser, which sounds really interesting. Let me have a little smell of it. I'm not going to put it on my hand obviously because it's a body wash. Oh, that smells nice. It smells like it possibly has, I want to say bergamot in there, or maybe mango, but it smells very fruity, but like a sweet fruity smell. It's not too overpowering. But I think this is the sort of thing that's really handy at this time of year. And I don't know about you, but I like having this kind of thing in a box because I use this when I go away travelling. And actually, I'm going away on holiday at the end of the week. I'm going away for a week to Bradford-on-Avon, which is a little village near Bath, and I like taking little miniature things with me in my travel bag because I hate taking huge full-size things, and this is a really pleasant smell to it. That is the third thing you get in the box, and now let's move on to what else we have in here. We then have something from a brand called AHAVA, I believe that's how you pronounce it, or AHAVA. I'm not sure. I've never actually tried this brand before, but I think I have seen it before. It's their Dead Sea Water Mineral Body Lotion, and this sounds really nice. I love body lotions. I'm all about the body lotions. Oh, that smells really lovely. That smells like a spa. Oh, that smells really good. It's kind of clean but also warm as well. I like that, and that feels really nice and smooth on the skin as well. It's got a lovely texture to it. But I use a lot of body lotions, especially in the summertime, so again, that's another one that I will definitely be taking away with me on my little trip. Next up we have a makeup item, and it's from Eyeko, and it's a mascara. Now apparently there are 2 different types of mascaras you could end up with in this box. There are 2 different variants, but I have their Lash Alert mascara, which apparently has caffeine in it, so that sounds quite interesting. And this mascara is quite a nice size as well, like it's a travel size mascara. And what I like about these kinds of mascaras is that they have a very small wand, and for me, as someone who has a visual impairment, FYI if you're new to the channel, I do have a visual impairment, I don't like mascaras with really big chunky wands. I find them really difficult to use. So a mascara like this that has a smaller wand is quite nice for me. So I'm really excited to try this. Next up we have something from Percy and Reed, and it is their WONDERBALM for the hair. I think their packaging on their products is so kitsch and really cute, so I'm always sucked into Percy and Reed products because they've got really cute packaging. And the idea of this is that you apply it to damp hair before you are going to style it. So before you use any styling products or any styling tools, or you do anything to it, like blow drying it for example, and it just helps to prime your hair and to smooth it and get rid of any flyaways and just get it ready for styling it. So it's kind of like a primer but for your hair. Next up we have another makeup item, and it's from a brand called BELLAPIERRE Cosmetics, and this is a mineral blusher in the shade Amaretto, which looks like it's going to be like a peachy brown tone shade, like it's got a slight terracotta tone to it. So this would be really nice if you've got a little bit of a tan. And this is also cruelty free because it's got the Leaping Bunny logo on the back as well, so that's also a good shout. And to be honest, I've not tried much in the way of mineral blushers or really any mineral makeup in the past. I've tried a few mineral eyeshadows and they were very nice. A little bit more fiddly if you're not used to it because it's more of a finely milled powder, so I'll definitely give this a whirl and see how I get on with it. The final thing you get in the variant 1 of this month's box is from CAUDALIE, and it's their VINOPERFECT Radiance Serum, and you get a small 10ml size of this. Now this is apparently to help with signs of aging and dark spots. It's very rich in vitamin C, and it also has ingredients in there that help to produce collagen. So this sounds like it's going to be really nice for anyone who has tired looking skin. It feels very lightweight, it's got a very, very light texture to it, and it instantly gives your skin that sheen to it as well. Like you can visibly see there's a difference to the skin, like it really gives that smooth, radiant sheen. And I've actually used quite a lot of CAUDALIE products in the past, and I've always really liked their products, and I would say they do the job very well. They really go well under makeup. Their skincare products aren't too heavy, but they also are very hydrating as well, and they've got a nice texture to them, and they feel very comfortable on the skin. And as someone who has combination skin and my skin gets a little bit more oilier, I've always found that their products tend to work really well on my skin. I don't know, I've just found it's one of those brands where I've found across the board that I've liked everything that I've used. Then we move on into the second box, variant 2, which has a total value of £64.68. Now I just wanted to mention that there are 2 products in the variant 2 box that are the same as the ones you get in variant 1. So the 2 things that you get that are the same is the Mio Sun Drenched Body Wash and the CAUDALIE VINOPERFECT Radiance Serum. So those are the 2 things in this box that you get that are the same as what you would get in variant 1, but other than that, the things that you get in variant 2 are different. Again, in variant 2 we have another product from the brand that I cannot seem to pronounce because I don't know whether it's AHAVA or AHAVA, but it's their Dead Sea Water Mineral Hand Cream, and you know me, I'm a big hand cream lover, and I think at the moment you can't go wrong with a hand cream because we're all washing our hands constantly, so a good hand cream would never go amiss. So I'm going to give this a little try and see what this feels like. Well, this feels very nice. It's very rich and indulgent and very thick as well, and this has a really nice texture to it, and this smells the same as the body cream that you get in variant 1. Oh, that feels really good. It does have a little bit of a residue to it, like it feels like it's a little bit more oil based, and it feels like it would take a little bit longer to absorb. I would say that this is a really good hand cream to use maybe at night when you're going to be putting it on just before you go to bed. We have another hair styling product, and this is again from Percy and Reed, and it is their volumizing mousse, and it's a 50ml size. So if you are someone who likes to use mousse in your hair, if you style your hair quite a lot, if you blow dry it, this is basically the alternative to what you would get in variant 1. The variant 1 you have a hair primer, and variant 2 we have a hair mousse. The next thing we have in this box is from Ren, and it's from their EVERCALM range, and it's their Global Protection Day Cream, and I actually use this at the moment. I've got a large bottle of this that I use on a daily basis, and I really like it. I've tried a lot of Ren in the past on this channel, as you might know. I previously did a one brand facial video using all Ren skincare products. I will link that in a card above my head if you would like to go and watch that. The EVERCALM range is very soothing. It's got a lot of chamomile in there, so it's very heavily chamomile based. So it's good for anyone who has sensitivity or rosacea or redness or irritation or even acne as well. It's just a very soothing, gentle range, and it's just really nice for a lot of different skin types. The final thing you get in this box is from a brand called Avant, and it's their Deluxe Hyaluronic Acid Vivifying Face and Eye Night Cream. This sounds really intriguing. The fact that you can use it as a face and an eye cream, it sounds really, really interesting, and I'm a massive lover of hyaluronic acid. I use a lot of hyaluronic acid on a daily basis in my skincare routine. Hyaluronic acid is a great staple for your skincare routine. It benefits your skin in so many ways, and every skincare type can use it and benefit from it. So it doesn't matter if you've got combination skin or oily skin or dry skin or mature skin, every single skincare type can use it. It's like one of the key ingredients. So I'm going to give this a little try actually and see what it feels like. Oh, that's nice. It's very lightweight. It's not too heavy. So I can see why they say it's a face and an eye cream, because it's not too dense, it's not too thick or heavy. So that would be really good for the under eye area, because it's not too heavy and it's not too thick a formula. So that sounds really promising, and I'm really excited to try this. And again, this is another thing that I'll be adding into my toiletry bag to go away with. So that is the final product that you get in the variant 2 beauty box from Look Fantastic, and I think I ended on a high. So that is everything that you get in box 1 and box 2 from the August edition of the beauty box from Look Fantastic. I really hope you enjoyed this video and it was helpful to you, and it helped you to understand how this beauty box subscription service works and how the different variants work and what products you could potentially get. And thank you so much for watching, and as ever, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye guys!